So let's move on to the next question, guys. In this question, we are given that there is a line M that does not pass through the origin, okay, and the product of the x and the y intercept is positive, and we have to find that the slope must be what? Just note the word over here, which is given as must, right? So firstly, tell me one thing, if the x and the y intercept product is positive, that means that x and y intercept, right, both should be positive, right? Or x and y intercept both should be what? Negative, right? If the product of x and y intercept is given to be positive, that means either both are positive or both are negative, right? So let's imagine the different possibilities over here. For example, one possibility is example this line, because in this line the y intercept, which is this is positive because it is above the axis, and the x intercept, which is this, right, this is also positive because it is towards the right side, right, of the axis. So one case is this, where x intercept and y intercept both are positive, right? If we talk about the other case, either both are positive or both are negative, right? If we talk about the second case, for example, a line like this, because in this case, no, not this. So we have to make sure, for example, a line like this, right? Because in this case, the y-intercept, which is this is negative because it is below the axis, right? And the x-intercept, which is this is also negative because it is towards the left side of the axis, right? So one possible case is this and the other possible case is this, okay? And we are also given that it does not pass through the origin. So these two cases completely satisfy the given conditions. Now we have to tell what is the slope, right? So if you see in this case, what is the angle? The angle is this, right? This is the theta, right? So again, this is greater than 90 degree, right? So the slope of this line is negative. The slope in this case is negative, right? What about this case? Even in this case, if you see the angle, which is this is again greater than 90 degree. So the slope of this line is also negative, right? So any case you take where the x and the y intercept product is positive, the slope will always be negative because there are only two possible cases. So your answer becomes the second option, that the slope must be negative. I hope this should be clear.